My name is Tzu Nyen. Friends call me Tzu, and I'm here at Mudam presenting the show Time and the Tiger. Time and the Tiger brings together some of my works over the 20 years of my practice. A lot of my works deal with historical questions, specifically unresolved historical issues and contradictions. And to think about history in some ways is already to have an assumption about what time is. To work with moving images is already to work with time. In a sense, I would even say that the true material of my work is time. It is just that they take the form of moving images and sounds, which give a certain shape to time. I would say I came to the field of video and moving images simply because I've always had a great interest in the cinema. Growing up in Singapore and working in Singapore, it was always impossible for me to have access to using film in the sense of using celluloid films. So instead, video was the alternative. And video was something cheap, something economical. Video requires almost no space. Everything that you create in video can be stored in hard disk. It can be compressed. And during exhibition, it could be uncompressed and you could enlarge the scale. So this kind of flexibility with scale is something that also attracted me a lot to video. One of my key questions have always been, why is Southeast Asia a region when it's not united by a language or a religion or political system? So what makes Southeast Asia Southeast Asia? And one of my propositions, in a way, is to use the tiger as a way to link Southeast Asia. So in a way, the tiger is a kind of a thread for me to reunite or to think about these old ancient connections between Southeast Asia. So this is also to say that to think about tigers is, in a way, to think about time, to think about history. And the tigers have occupied me actually for many years. In many ways, I think that the tiger is my master, and I'm simply a vessel or medium to serve the tiger. I think what keeps me interested in making art is my own curiosity about how it will turn out. So it's the curiosity of imagining putting something together without being exactly certain of what is the outcome, and that keeps me interested. So in a sense, I think of myself as merely a spectator. It's just that as the maker of the works, I am the first spectator. So I would like to invite all spectators then to also take my position, which is as a maker. So in other words, I would love for spectators to recreate these works with their own imagination. So in a sense, for me, the spectator and the maker of the work are interchangeable positions. I guess I believe that after a work is made, in some sense, it no longer belongs to me. It belongs to whoever is engaging with them.